bacteria test on some water samples. Since we've been here, we've been testing various different types of water, and we've gone through different purification processes just to be able to verify the bacteria content. We use a very simple test called a water safe test. It's actually designed for pools and spas, but it identifies the presence of harmful bacteria that ultimately can cause major contamination-related diseases. So if we can get these tests to be negative, then we're verifying that that bacteria has either been taken out of, neutralized, or destroyed within the water sources. So today, the two tests we're going to be working with are a sample that I pulled directly out of Lake Victoria that has undergone the SOTUS technique, which basically means that it's exposed to sunlight for 6 hours. And the ultraviolet rays are able to supposedly kill or neutralize most of the harmful bacteria. This test is 5 liters that's gone through our biosand filter and has also undergone SOTUS treatment. What makes this unique is, according to SOTUS treatment procedures, they say that you shouldn't use a bottle above 3 liters. And so 5-liter bottles are common around here, and I want to find out that if a 5-liter bottle is exposed to SOTUS treatment, if there's sufficient ultraviolet rays in this region of Kenya to be able to still neutralize the water there. So we're going to go through, take a couple pictures of this process, and I will let you know what the results are when we get them. So this sample water has been mixed with certain chemicals that help us to be able to have accuracy in the test. And these strips right here are designed to be placed in the water, and the way that the strip works is a line appears underneath the number 2 to verify that the test worked accurately, or worked properly. A line will appear under the number 1s if the test is positive and if the presence of harmful bacteria detected. So I'm going to place these directly in here. Do this little swirl. Place this one directly in here. And now we wait for 10 minutes for the results. So it's looking like the results for this test are actually positive. As you can see right here, you can see the thick line underneath the 2-2 indicating that the test was functional, and the line underneath the 1-1 indicating the levels of bacteria. So what this test is indicating is that water that comes directly out of Lake Victoria and that is exposed to UV treatment for 6 hours still has traces of harmful bacteria. Okay. This test also is positive, although the intensity of the line is less, which is indicating that the SOTUS requirements of having a bottle be 3 liters or less is actually accurate, because the 5 liters apparently was too much water for the UV treatment for 6 hours, meaning that the UV was not able to kill or eliminate the presence of that harmful bacteria. So basically what we've concluded with all this whole system of tests is the only negative that we've gotten is water that's gone through a biosand filter and then was exposed to UV treatment for 6 hours with a bottle that's 3 liters or less. And that water was shown to not have traces of harmful bacteria. And that right there concludes our water test here in Matoso this year.